Hello everyone. Are you wondering about the question how to invest in cryptocurrency, and do you want to get yourself in this world of crypto? But before jumping into this world, I'd like to ask you some question. Do you understand how cryptocurrency investing works actually, and even how cryptocurrency works? And do you know is cryptocurrency investing in cryptocurrency and good investment? And how can you invest in Bitcoin? Maybe this question is coming to your arising in your mind truly. Well, don't worry. I'm here to discuss with you guys about the answer of these questions. So without further delaying, let's get started. So first of all, I'd like to tell you guys what is cryptocurrency. So basically, cryptocurrency is a digital money. This type of currency uses blockchain technology, which is considered secure because it is capable of establishing distributed consensus even among untrustworthy parties. Cryptocurrency blockchains resembles old-fashioned bookkeepers' ledgers, except that the ledger is electronic, and everyone with access to the ledger can also be the bookkeeper. Investors worldwide have invested are the starting to invest in cryptocurrency. Though Bitcoin is like the best known digital money or crypto, thousands of other cryptocurrencies are already exist. Cryptocurrency can be considered one of the newest and most exciting asset classes available to the investors. So as you might have already know that investing in crypto is much risky. So it's important to not invest more money than you can afford to lose. So now we need to understand the investing in cryptocurrency. How does it actually works? So when you think of investing in cryptocurrency, you might think about buying and holding one or more crypto coins. Buying cryptocurrency directly is probably the most common way to add crypto exposure to your portfolio. But when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, you have a few different options. Number one, what you can do is you can buy cryptocurrency directly. You can choose to directly purchase and store one or more cryptocurrencies. Your options range from the most established digital currencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin to virtually unknown coins that are newly released in an initial coins offerings, or that are basically called ICOs. And even you can invest in cryptocurrency companies. You can invest in companies with a partial or total focus on cryptocurrency. Your options include cryptocurrency mining companies, mining hardware makers, companies like Robinhood Markets and PayPal Holdings that supports cryptocurrency, and many others with varying levels of crypto exposure. You can also invest in companies like MicroStrategy Incorporated, which holds large amount of cryptocurrency on their balance sheets. Number three, what you can do is invest in cryptocurrency focused funds. If you don't want to choose among individual cryptocurrency companies, then you can decide to invest in a cryptocurrency focused fund instead. You have to choose exchange traded funds such as index funds and future funds. In addition to a range of cryptocurrency investment trusts, some cryptocurrency focused invest in cryptocurrency directly, while others invest in cryptocurrency focused companies or derivative securities such as futures contracts. Then you can do is invest in a cryptocurrency IRA. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency and also garner the tax advantage afforded by individual retirement account, then you can consider investing in a cryptocurrency IRA. Using the service of a crypto IRA provider can also facilitate more secure storage for your cryptocurrency holdings. And again, you can also become a crypto miner or validator. Perhaps the most directly way to invest in crypto is to mine it or act as a validator in a crypto network. Cryptocurrency miners and validators earn rewards in crypto, which they can either hold as investment or exchange for any other currency. So now let me tell you guys how cryptocurrency investing works actually. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrency directly, then you can choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Choose which cryptocurrency exchange you want to use. Your best bet is a reputable, well-known exchange with a large selection of currencies. Then you can establish an account with the cryptocurrency exchange. You need to provide your personal information and verify your identity to complete registration process. Then you have to fund your account with fiat money. I think you probably know about what is fiat money. Before you can buy any crypto, you need to fund your exchange account with another currency such as US dollars. And then what you have to do is decide which cryptocurrency you want to buy. You can choose to invest in one or many cryptocurrencies. So research your options to help you decide. Then you have to place a buy order for your chosen cryptocurrency. Follow the steps required by the exchange to submit and complete a buy order for one or more cryptocurrencies. Then you have to store your cryptocurrency in a digital wallet. So what is digital wallet? Basically, I'll tell you about this digital wallet in my another video. So now let's complete this portion. So after your purchase is complete, the information you need to access your cryptocurrency is held in a digital wallet. That crypto wallet can be hosted either by the cryptocurrency exchange or an independent wallet provider. But here, most important point is, an investor in cryptocurrency, you need to decide how much of your portfolio to allocate to digital assets. A best practice among investors is to periodically review your entire portfolio to perhaps rebalance your holdings. That might mean increasing or scaling back your crypto exposure depending on your investment goals and other financial needs. Now let me tell you guys what to know before investing, what you guys need to know before put your money in this world or before investing in cryptocurrency. So basically, investing in cryptocurrency is considered risky, and I'd say it's way risky than you can think even. The prices of cryptocurrencies, even the most established ones, are much more volatile than the prices of other assets like stocks. The prices of cryptocurrencies in the future could also be affected by the regulatory changes, with the possibility that cryptocurrency becomes illegal and therefore worthless. Many investors are nonetheless attracted to potential upside of investing in crypto. If you decide to invest in cryptocurrency, it's important to carefully research and digital coin before buying it. Pay attention to transaction fees when making crypto purchases, because these fees can vary widely among currencies. The currency space is evolving rapidly, so it's also important to pay attention to new developments that may affect your crypto holdings. Cryptocurrency investors need to understand the tax consequences of using crypto, especially if they purchase something or sell their crypto investment. Given the riskiness of cryptocurrency as an asset class, it's especially important not to invest more money in crypto than you can afford to lose. But still, there are a lot of people who are new to this world or new to this investing world. They ask sometimes a lot of question comes to their mind for this process. But today I'll answer most common question asked by these people, so you can also have a clear idea about this kind of question, and I believe that this kind of question can also arrive in your mind as well. So investing in cryptocurrency is not for everyone. The prices of cryptocurrencies can be very much volatile, which makes investing in crypto likely a poor choice for conservative investors. If you are interested in assuming greater risk as an investor, then investing in or more cryptocurrencies may be right for you. So people often ask, this kind of people actually, who are a newcomer to the crypto world, so they ask me, how can I invest in Bitcoin? So I would suggest that you can invest in Bitcoin directly by using one of the major cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance. Another way to gain investment exposure to Bitcoin is to buy shares in a company with significant Bitcoin exposure, such as Bitcoin mining company. A third option is to invest in a Bitcoin focused fund such as exchange traded fund. Another question is, how much money do I need to buy cryptocurrency? So you can invest in cryptocurrency or another cryptocurrency without much money. Using Coinbase, for example, you can buy cryptocurrency with as little as $2 in your local currency. So that's all of my today's video. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe my channel and stay with me for getting this kind of video. And okay, goodbye. Thank you.